Hello! Today I would like to talk to you about Remind. I found Remind. It's an online web-based resource, and it is a way for teachers to communicate with parents and students and other teachers. This is a really great tool because it can send messages to everyone in your class and all of the parents at once. It can send them to email or phone, depending on what you have added. So you can go in here. Here's one of my classes. I can see that I'm the teacher in here. I can look at any files that I may want to send. So if I need to send a permission slip or send out homework, I can do messages. So say I need to do an announcement. I can type test announcement, and this will send it to everyone who's in this English 10 class. And then I can look in here and see who all is selected, or I can choose additional people. Once you send it, that will send them the announcement. You can add additional classes. You can look at all of the classes that you have. I'm just sort of getting into it, so I don't really have a whole lot yet at this point. But it's a really great tool. It's a way to communicate, and my goal for this was to communicate more with parents in a sort of quick and easy way, to make it really easy for them so they don't have to go into a bunch of apps. I don't have to go to a bunch of different places to locate their contact information, and then I'll be able to get it all out at once really easily and smoothly. I would suggest that parents and teachers and students all sign up for this. I think it's a really good way to get everyone on the same page. But what's the best part is if you get a permission slip out to the parents or you meet them, then you're able to put in all of their information for them. And they have really great PDF instructions. You can share a link to get them signed up, or you can put it in for them, which is really great. People like things that are streamlined. So the standard I am looking at for this is 2D, and that's to communicate and gather input, celebrate success, and engage in improvement. So with this way, I would be able to communicate with my parents and students, and I could send them out a poll and ask how they've been liking the technology we've been using, and I would be able to check in a lot more because parents are definitely stakeholders in their children's education. So I want them to be able to celebrate the success and get their feedback, as well as communicate with them more quickly, frequently, and easily. And I think that this Remind.com does that. Thank you.